Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn exercise 5 from the chapter fractions. In this exercise we are going to learn the addition of like fractions. We know that what is a like fraction. If the denominator of the fractions are same, equal, it is a like fraction. And here we are going to add two like fractions. If you want to add the like fractions, you just add the numerators alone and the denominators will remains the same. So here look at the numerators, we have 2 and 4. So you just add only the numerators because the denominators are same, so it remains the same. You just take only one denominator. So 2 plus 4 by 7. Add the numbers 2 and 4, it is 6. So 6 by the denominator is 7. So if you add 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, you will get 6 by 7. Let us write the answer. 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7, which is equals 6 by 7. So this is what the answer. Look at the next question. 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So here the denominators are same because it is a like fraction. So just take only one denominator. And what are the numerators, children? 3 and 5. So add the numerators. 3 plus 5, it is 8. And the denominator is also 8. Look at the numerator and denominator. Both the numbers are same. If both the terms are same, the value of the fraction is 1. It is nothing but a whole. So if the numerator and denominator are same, it is a whole. So when you add 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, you will get 1. Equals 1. You can write 8 by 8 also, but the value of the fraction is 1. Look at the next question. The fractions are 9 by 11 and 1 by 11. Here also the denominators are same. So we are going to add only the numerators. The numerators are 9 and 1 and the denominator is 11. 9 plus 1 is 10 and the denominator is 11. So if you add 9 by 11 and 1 by 11, the answer is 10 by 11. Write down the answer. 9 by 11 plus 1 by 11 equals 10 by 11. So remember, before adding the numerators, you just check whether the denominators are same, so that you can add the numerators and the denominator remains the same. Now we'll move to the next question. Monisha read 3 by 10 of a storybook on Saturday. So Saturday he read 3 by 10 of the storybook and 4 by 10 of the storybook on Sunday. So on Sunday he read 4 by 10 of the storybook. What fraction of the storybook did she read during the weekend? So we have to find out in both the days how many pages did he read. So we want to add to get total number of book which she read. So let us write the solution. We need to write the statement because it's a word problem. First statement, fraction of a book read on Saturday. It is 3/10. The next statement is fraction of a book read on Sunday. So how much she read on Sunday? It is 4/10. We want to find out the number of pages. That means the fraction of pages read in 2 days. Fraction of a book read in 2 days. So you just add the given fraction to find out the fraction of the page which she read in 2 days. So the fractions are 3/10 and 4/10. So here the denominators are same. So you just add only the numerators. 3 plus 4/10. So if you add 3 and 4, what will you get? Yes, 7. And here the denominator is 10. So this is what the fraction of pages she read in 2 days. Now let us write the answer. Fraction of a book read in 2 days. That is 7/10. So she read 7/10 of a book in weekend. So next question. Ramesh spent 1/4 of an hour in the morning. So he spent 1/4 of an hour in the morning and 2/4 of an hour in the evening. So he spent 2/4 of an hour in the evening to do his homework. Doing his homework. What fraction of an hour did she spend in all doing his homework? Sorry, it is he. In all. Look at the word all, children. It is a clue word of addition. So if all is given, you need to add the given fractions. So let us write the solution. First statement, time spent in the morning. So he spent 1/4 of an hour, and time spent in the evening. It is 2/4, and we want to find out the time spent in all. So write down the statement. Time spent in all. So you just add the given fractions 1/4 and 2/4. So add the numerators alone, as we have the denominators are same. 1 plus 2/4, which is equal 3/4. So Ramesh spent 3/4 of an hour during a day. Let us write the answer. Ramesh spent 3/4 of an hour in all. So this is what the answer. He spent 3/4 of an hour in all to do his homework. Yes, is there some clear, children? Yes, today we have learnt how to add the like fractions. I hope the concept is clear. We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.